Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Today we are diving into 20 must know Windows 11 tips and tricks that will completely transform how you use your PC. Whether you are a Windows 11 newbie or a power user, you are about to uncover features that will boost your productivity, streamline your workflow, and even add a bit of fun. So grab your PC and let's get started. Now, let's kick things off with a big one. Switching your default browser. While Windows 11 loves Microsoft Edge, you might prefer Chrome, Firefox, or Brave browser. Here is how to make the change seamlessly. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. Go to Apps on the left pane of the Settings window and then click on it. Now, click on Default Apps. Scroll down until you find your browser and click on it. Click on Set Default. Just like that, your preferred browser becomes the boss. Now, on to the next tip. Do your eyes a favor and embrace dark mode. Not only does it reduce strain during the late night, but it also saves battery on laptops. Here is how to turn on dark mode. Right-click on your Start menu icon once more and click on Settings. Now, click on Personalization on the left pane. Scroll down until you find Colors, then you click on it. Under Choose Your Mode, click on the light and then select Dark. Now, on to the taskbar. If the center start button feels alien to you, no worries, you can move it to its classic position. Right-click on the taskbar and then click on Taskbar Settings. Now, scroll down and then click on Taskbar Behavior. Under Taskbar Alignment, click on the center and then select Left. Then you have your Start menu and taskbar icon centered to the left side of the window. For the next tip, maximize multitasking with Snap Layouts. Snap layouts are your multitasking best friend. Here is how to harness their power or make good use of it. Hover over the maximize button of the window, or you can simply press Windows key plus Z, and then you pick a layout and drag the apps into the zones and let Windows handle the rest. Perfect for side-by-side comparisons or organizing multiple tasks on one screen. Say goodbye to a cluttered desktop. File Explorer now supports tabs just like a browser. Open new tabs with Ctrl plus T, or you can simply press on the Add New Tab icon to add a new tab. Navigate between folders effortlessly within a single window. Managing files has never been this smooth. Now, let's learn these time-saving shortcuts. Windows 11 introduces powerful shortcuts to simplify your routine. Simply press Windows plus W to open widgets. And then to access quick settings, simply press Windows plus A. If you want to easily check your notifications, simply press Windows plus N. These shortcuts save seconds, which add up to minutes. Now, let's declutter our taskbar. Got too much going on down there? Clean up your desktop like a pro. Right-click on the taskbar and then head to Taskbar Settings. Toggle off unnecessary items like the widgets and then the chat. Less clutter, more focus. Now, let's keep our PC tidy without lifting a finger. Storage Sense automatically clears out junk files, so let's go ahead and enable Storage Sense. To do that, just right-click on the Start menu icon and click on Settings. Now, click on System. Scroll down until you find Storage and click on it. Make sure to toggle on the Storage Sense and customize what gets cleaned and when. Now, let's manage notifications like a pro. Don't let constant alerts ruin your focus. Silence notifications effortlessly by doing this. Right-click on the Start menu icon once more and click on Settings. Now, click on System and then scroll down and click on Notifications. You can go ahead and turn off unnecessary app alerts or enable Do Not Disturb to help you focus without interruptions. On to the focus mode. Windows 11's focus mode helps you concentrate on tasks by muting notifications and distractions. To enter focus mode, right-click on the Start menu icon and click on Settings. Now, click on System. Scroll down until you find Focus and click on it. Set a duration and then click on Start Focus Session, and Windows takes care of the rest. Are you missing the old detailed right-click menu? It's just a click away. Right-click on any file on your desktop and then click on Show More Options. Problem solved. Full menu restored. And if you don't want to go through all this process, you can watch a video that I made on how to restore or bring back the old classic right-click menu into Windows 11. You can watch to make everything easier for you. For this tip, you can disable startup apps for a speed boost. Speed up your PC's boot time by managing startup apps. You can do that by right-clicking anywhere on your taskbar and clicking on Task Manager. Now, click on Startup Apps on the left panel of the Task Manager window. Go ahead and disable unnecessary apps by right-clicking on the specific app and clicking on Disabled. Either way, you can select the app and then head to the top right corner and then click on the three dots and then select Disabled. And you are good to go. Now, enable these features to save time whilst typing. No more typing errors. To do that, just right-click on the Start menu icon and click on Settings. Now, scroll down and then click on Time and Language. And then you click on Typing. Make sure to toggle on autocorrect and then text suggestion. And then you are good to go. On to Quick Access. Quickly access your favorite apps by pinning them to the Start menu. To do this, just right-click on an app and then select Pin to start. And you have instant access to it whenever you need it. Now, let's explore accessibility features. Windows 11 excels in accessibility tools like adjust font size, enable color filters, or switch to mono audio. And you can do this by right-clicking on the Start menu icon and clicking on Settings. Scroll down and then click on Accessibility on the left panel. And you have access to adjust text size, visual effects, mouse pointer and touch, text cursor, magnifier, color filters, contrast theme, and then so on. Tailor your experience to meet your needs. Now, let's talk about the inbuilt Windows Screenshot tool in Windows 11. You can master screenshots with Snipping tool in order to capture anything on your screen quickly and easily. Assuming you have an image on your PC screen that you want to take a screenshot of, you can simply press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. This will launch the screenshot tool, and then you can select an area and then click and drag and then save the screenshots. Whether for work or fun, Snipping tool is your go-to. Now, let's learn how to take total control over our privacy. We can keep our data secure by fine-tuning privacy settings. You just have to head to your taskbar and then right-click on the Start menu icon, and then you click on Settings. Now, scroll down and then navigate to Privacy and Security. Under Windows Permissions, click on General. Go ahead and then toggle off activity tracking and personalized ads. Take charge of your online footprint by changing this setting. Now, brighten up your chats and emails with emojis. You can add fun with emojis by using this trick. Simply press the Windows key plus the period to open the emoji panel. Inject some personality into every message. That's all for this tutorial. If you found these tips helpful, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Windows 11 and tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.